Yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man, yeah, man. Greetings once more upon the space is of the man and man. Yayazi. Sachile nami yabo. Nje yapho sikhe sihlale sicikide nje about izinto abantu abaninzi kunzima into nokubana ukuthi bakhe bafane bacikide ngazo in the public space sometimes, Yeah. Mm, the purpose for these videos is for the education and entertainment, not for propaganda or for indoctrination of someone. Or no, just you either, it's like I'm dropping a nugget that you can either pick it up or put it aside. As I say, to go back to Africa. Yeah. So akadethu abe mate batakwethu. You know, ndingumntu osoloko athi xa ehleli emeditata about life, ndibe nezinto endithi ndozibona ndicinga fanuba zibonwa ndim ndedwa ndothuke along the time, mhlawumbi along the years as time goes, someone far away mhlawumbi ndidibane nevidiyo kuYouTube stating the same thing I was talking about. I saw ukuthi this is possible. So this is another nugget now that I need to drop out, because I found ukuthi when I talk to people about these things bangathi no, it's just because ndibukela mhlawumbi a lot of documentaries, I do and a lot of research and all that stuff. So babanalamba, it's information you already know, you come and lie and all that stuff. So I decided this time ukuthi no, you know what I'm going to do, let me just record these moments as bandikwazi urecorda in some of the visions I have. Because of ndiye ndayifound ukuthi iyenzeka truly, fumaniseka ukuthi le way uyibonile and someone else come and talk about this thing and ubuqonda yeah. So now the thing is based upon kule way ye-extraterrestrials, xa sendibona phaa ku-Avatar, the movie Avatar, ku-Avatar sibona i-human beings zitransfera i-consciousness yazo to those bodies they call Avatar. You see, to a point that abanye they can even made ukuthi they leave their permanent bodies and live in these artificial bodies. So when now kuthethwa nge-reality also about i-Matrix, together with the information of the map or the lens beyond the ice wall, and all with the theories that we find ezithethwa ngazo ukucikida ngomhlaba ukuthi we are living under a dome, and all the graphs and ideas that have been placed ukuthi umhlaba, this is how indlela ome ngayo. With all those stuff, I have found ukuthi yabona, when the extraterrestrials they are seen here in our physical spaces, as they are seen videos zitrenda kwi-social medias, la majita ayaflya, la majita. These brethren ngoo-Superman, ziyaflya, yabo, like ooayamani benza izinto ezidefila umntu who exists within this 3D dimension yethu, yabo. And thina we seem like we can't do those things. So ithi ke ngoku itheory yam, what if brothers they do what we do exactly? Kanjani kanditsho elo hlobo? Ndifumene le theory yam based upon the second law of echemetic universal laws, the law of correspondence, as above so is below, as here so is there, as under so is above, or on top. So the theory now goes in this way. What if njengoba xa silele we seem, some of us, to have supernatural powers to fly in those dream spaces? Sometimes you can manipulate matter in a way esibona ngayo movie in those spaces. This thing only happens xa silele. This is 2025, mark my words. When this thing is open in the public in the future, no, I talk about this thing 2025. So xa silele, we do something that is similar with what is happening kulaa movie Avatar. Bona bangena kwezaa box, thina silala ezibhedini zethu. Ezaa boxes zabathi ziibhedi ziyogqunywa zinangubo, thina siyazogquma ngengubo. And then once they sleep, they start to appear komnye umzimba who live in somewhere in another place. Us, when we sleep, we start to see ourselves somewhere in another place. Can you see the similarities? As here, so it is there. Can you see? So, what if extraterrestrials, the way they visit here, they visit via dreams? This is my concept. What if our space, it's a dream space in other entities who exist somewhere? They can visit this space here and there. And then bono ayamana, now what they do something that efana nale kuthethwa ngathiwa lucid dreamings. They have found a way that when they are here, they must create bodies through lucid dreamings. You see, because la madoda sometimes ayakwazi ukuthi weleqwa ibaleka indoda light etshone ehlathini as light, uthi usithi ushayina lo light awuphinde uyibone. Just as nawe like xa uphuphusiwa okanye ugqi ehlathini ukuthi gqibwe ihori ithi xa ikubamba wothuke kweli cala, definitely there you disappear. That is theory number one. Theory must, it's something that is there that is not concluded. So now you can add eyakho imbono, disagree, disprove or prove, so that is go forward. Theory number two, if singakhe sijonge itheory efana nalaa ndoda kuthiwa nguMr Xaba kwi-social media ethetha apha kuTibo's ST channel, athi abantu they can live in this plane while in another planes they are in jail, in chains and all the stuff. So theory number two uthi, what if in those spaces where you run away from a tragic or a nightmare, and then always wothuka when a tragic happens? Mhlawumbi bubukhwela imoto wothuka xa utshayisa itraki, bubuleqwa wothuka xa uweliweni yokubetheka emhlabeni wothuke, xa ubaleka ehlathini elithile wothuka xa uthi gqibwe yethi lithi nqaku, yabo. So what if in those dreams where you are captured, you are really captured and you are put in chains somewhere? Then athi uMr Xaba xa ethetha, that's why abanye abantu ii-lives zabo will never move forward. It's just because their souls has been captured. And then ithi loo nto, but into strange, every time nje you sleep, even though you had those dreams wothuka kwecala, every time you sleep uthi gqi somewhere. Yes, then ke ngoku ithini ke loo nto? How is it possible? Ayiphendulwa yilaa nto ye-multi-universe le way, akuthi exista in many places at the same time, just as the creator. But it's just that when each of your bodies kwi-spaces ekuzo in a singular intelligence, intelligence yayo xa iphakamile ibody liver in the sunshine, in the present and here now, it can only be aware of itself. But once it sleeps and the others sleeps, they start to, there's a point of them in a network, maybe ether or something that connects them as one. So all these ideas, they are an idea of a one brain expressed in many different universes as different people, and these people, they can move in between you. When you sleep, you visit the other space where you have another body of you exist in another universe. Maybe somewhere you live in a cave with other people. Somewhere you are living with another animals. Somewhere you are living. That is theory number two. I don't say it's true, but it's something for you to think about and explore. And then theory number three, ati, what if, even though kunjalo, each of these souls, they have the ability to move between space and time, because these bodies eziyi-avatar yakho umane ustepela kuzo xa usithi wena uyaphupha, these bodies nazo zistepa kweli cala, like njengoba wena uhleli kubona xa uhleli, sometimes ube nee-weird deja vu things and all that. What if zazaa pre-emanations of that person kwelaa cala uyaphupha, but when uyayi-experience le nto because uchannela your own body now, yabo. Njengawe xa ulele inoba nakubo kwenzeka the same thing. We are using the correspondence law as here, so it is there. You see? Ifana like umzekelo nale way yothi ka uyi-observer like eBhayibhileni, yabo. IBhayibhile ivele iyithethe clear ukuthi imayithi yakriyeyitha ii-heavens, yakriyeyitha i-earth. These are two spaces ezimelene maybe like so, ngokwe-analogy of I as a human being, yabo. Kha kuthiwe umntu, kuthiwe i-creator of all things, khange ichazwe nge-form. Kusuke kwathiwa qha ilizwi lalinemighty and liyiyo lona ilizwi mighty, yabo. Likunye nemighty. Njengawe, wena ungumzimba ukunye nelizwi lakho, meaning ilizwi, it's an expression of your consciousness. But ilizwi, the consciousness, it's one with you, with the body, because inguwe, yabo. This is another definition. Asiyazi ke ngoku iphinde ke iyo-challenge kwezaa ndawo ukuthi masenze umntu njengofana naxa. Xa isithi masenze, meaning now the one who was with the word, which is the word, and one with the word, meaning njengam ndingumntu ndine-word kum ngaphakathi. Ibona like le nto ye-word uyibona wena Lord ngokwe-kingly level, ungayijongi ngokwabantu abazii-commoners abangelapha. Sithetha nge-might, i-might ine-power, so look it in the realms of power. Umntu onepower ilizwi lakhe. Xa sithi qhawula intloko, qhawula intloko. Xa sithi wena gwetyula i-sentence, gwetyula i-sentence, that is the word and the power. I-intellect yalaa mntu leya idicidayo, who take i-decision and express it through i-word, and when you move, you do the thing. The outside world moves when the word spoke. Same thing that happens during the creation times. You see? The word, it's a vibration. Put the water here and start to say, yeah, you will see the word moving like that, like the ocean. You see? So the ocean, as it moves and vibrates, you don't know why it is like, it's because of the word. The vibrations of the waves are caused by the word living within the ocean. You see? This is what is happening even within us, because iheart iyabetha, yabo, even in a lowest level. So umzimba never stay still. We are heart beating. That's why even waters, the blood within our bodies is starting to move and all those things. So otherwise, ibiyilo way bendifuna ukhe ndiyi-express masoja. Bingeyonto engako mhlawumbi okanye ukuthi kwathini, yabo. Qha bendizama ukuthi what if these brothers we call the extraterrestrials, when they come here in our plane, they don't come like the way thina sicinga ngayo ukuthi zingathi ba-physical, because kutsho kuthiwa what they do defies the reality as we know. Just like us, there we can manipulate. It's more like there we are supermans, as them here they are supermans. So what if this is it is true as the way as the law says, as it is here, so it is there. So one day, if this thing I will come across kuyo, remember this day when I posted this video, you know. Yeah, remember this day that I ask about this thing. But we will see. Peace.